Thanks for logging into this course on parking policies. I'm Donald Shoup, professor of urban planning at UCLA, and I have been studying parking for the past 50 years. Until recently, parking was a very low status topic to study. And for that reason, I was a bottom feeder for most of this time. But recently, parking has become a hot topic in urban planning, and there's almost a feeding frenzy of academic research on parking policies, what went wrong with it, and what is being done right. I'll report on 3 linked policies for these Planetizen courses. To begin the course, I will talk about America's disastrous experiment with minimum parking requirements and how cities are beginning to make a U-turn, going from requiring parking to setting limits on the amount of parking that can be built. To set the stage, think back to 1900, at the dawn of the automobile age.